Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our 2-litre TDI Audi Q3. So it's finished in, sorry if I pronounce it wrong, Hainan Blue, which is a factory extra. So this is coming from a local customer. It's got Audi service history up until he bought it, and then he's brought it to us for servicing ever since. So we've got all the invoices, receipts, etc. Really nice clean car. It is a 2-litre TDI, but the road tax is something ridiculous. It's either £30 or, if they've just increased it, £35 for the year. So as with all our cars, it's HPI clear, 2 keys, will be sold with 12 months MOT. We've already done quite a bit of prep on this, but we'll put all the details on the advert. Tyres all have 7mm of tread on them. It's got the sat nav, Bluetooth, parking sensors, all clean and tidy in there. It does have a couple of marks on it. It has been used as a family car, so there's a small mark on the bonnet. But overall, I think it's really well presented. All nice and clean and tidy in there. As with all our cars, they'll come with a warranty as well. We can offer part exchange. So it's done 127,000 now, but these cars, if they're looked after, I'm sure if you're looking, there's a lot of these 2-litre TDI engines with 300,000 miles. Our actual detailer's got the same engine in his Passat, and I think that's just turned 200,000 miles. He's had that for quite a long time. So as always, we do viewing by appointment only. You can reserve a vehicle if you're not going to get to us for a while. Any questions, if you'd like to arrange an appointment or a test drive, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.